guys, Felicity here. I'm finna show you how to do a little hairstyle I made while I was at college. So as you can see, my hair is freshly blow dried since it's in the little twists. I begin by untwisting my hair. Let's speed this up a bit. Okay, so I only untwisted the front half of my hair because it's the part getting braided and twisted. So I'm gonna start making a half up, half down section on both sides of my head. Here's a closer look. The part is right in front of my ear on both sides. I pull and clip the back of my hair so it won't get in my way. I pulled the front of my hair up to visualize if that's where I want the part to be, to make sure it's not too far up or too far back. So I saw the part was satisfactory and started making another part a little to the left of the middle of my head and a little to the right of the middle of my head. This part is a baseline so I can make a bigger part, so I curved the comb so the part looks like a semicircle. Then I did the same thing on the other side too. Here's a closer look at the parts so you can see that they are curved. Now that the main section is ready, I get my gel prepared. I used Edge Effect. I put a small amount on my fingers and put some where the part is on my hair. I put some on the front as well. Got my brush and I brushed the parts where I gelled so it'll lay better. Next, you just start braiding from the front to the back. This is the size of the section I started off when braiding. Make sure to go slow because if you try to rush, sometimes it won't look neat. I know your arms get tired, but you just gotta push through. Here's a closer view of what the braid looks like. Braid close to the end just in case it will unravel. Then clip it. Now I'm going to start making a section for the flat twist. It should be curved the same way like the main section was curved. Make sure it's as small as you want it, so make it thinner if you need to. When you're done making that section, pull and clip the rest of the hair back. Get your gel again and start flat twisting. A side note, when I flat twist, I usually use thinner gel, not thick gel such as this. I use thinner gel so that the twist strands look more defined instead of just looking like a random thin line of hair. Okay, so one twist is done, as you can see. Just pin that back with the other braid. Start sectioning off the other side the same way you did with the previous side. Clip the hair at the back. Get your gel and start flat twisting. Let's zoom through this. Okay, so when you're done, clip the twist with the others. Okay, so the hard part's over now. So unclip and untwist the hair at the back. When you're done, get gel and gel those edges. Get that brush and brush them back and smooth with your hands. Make sure you don't put too much gel on or it'll look stupid. Okay, so I forgot to comb out the rest of my hair like I said for you guys to do earlier. So once that's over, unclip your braid and twist and start to put half of your hair into a ponytail. I used a hair tie specifically for thick hair. You can find that at Walmart or somewhere. untwisted and unbraided the ends. Then I combed them out. Here's a side view, a top view, and another side view. So that was the first way of how you can wear this style with this specific braiding design. So I'm going to show you the second way in a few seconds. So for this second way, everything is in a ponytail rather than just half of it in a ponytail. So get your stocking ready, and I wrap it from underneath my hair to the top. Cross the sides of the stocking and bring the stocking as far back and as tight as you want it. I want mine right about there, so I tied it at the top and the bottom. I didn't tuck the ends in because I was lazy and I was going to sleep right after this anyways. But in the morning before school, I did tuck the ends into my hair. Next, I combed my hair out to fit the look that I was going for and just fluffed it up a bit. Okay, everything is looking pretty darn spiffy. Here's the back view, side view, and a smile. Here's me the next day in my fit for school. I did the stocking ponytail look because I know my hair shrinks up a bit after being blow dried, so it's better in this way. I use bobby pins in certain areas, so make sure you guys manipulate your hair in any way you can to achieve the perfect look for you. See, I got a pink and gold shirt on with gold earrings and I'm set. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome hair day.